అదే అన్న నీకే
ఎవరు ఏం చేస్తాడో
అదే అన్న నాకు నోట్లు డాడీ కూడా ఏదైనా బోర్డులో చూపిస్తాను నా పేరు దొరక
ఏంటి
ఇప్పుడు వెళ్ళేదని పేరు చెప్తేనే అన్న నీ నోట్లో దొరకపోతే నా నోట్లో అసలు దొరకదు.
నో నో ఐఎమ్ ఆల్రెడీ రికార్డింగ్. It appears like a village. Sometimes I find cottages.
ఈ అడవిలో రోడ్ కట్టిన
No, it's very expensive.
పైకి కట్టి ఉన్నాడు.
కదా అదే
అదే లేకపోతే కష్టం కదా కిందకి వెళ్ళి పైకి వెళ్ళాము.
వాడంతా ఆలోచించి వ్యూ పైన పక్కన కట్టాలని వాడు ఆలోచిస్తాడు.
నేను అనుకున్నా కట్టినోడు గొప్ప అనుకున్నా. కష్టం కదా మనుషులు కావాలన్నది దిగాలి. అంటే దీంట్లో లోపల అదే వాటర్
వ్యూ పైన పైకి నుంచి
ఇదే లాస్ట్
Oh,
ఇక్కడ ఉందా లేదా చూసి వెనకాలం లేదా
this is another viewpoint. Yeah.
అటు ఉండే యాక్చువల్ మెయిన్ ఫాల్స్
ఇటు ఇక్కడ ఆగారు అందరూ ఇక్కడి నుంచి నడుచుకుని పోవాలి.
అదే చేస్తున్నాం అనుకుంటున్నాను.
మనుషులే కనపడతారు.
కాలు ప్రాక్టీస్ పెట్టుకోవాలి కదా.
Let us see.
ఈ మధ్యలో చూపలే
అది మెయిన్ ఫాల్స్ అది place.
ఇది
Yeah, correct. Now I have seen.
ఆ మెయిన్ ఫాల్స్
That's all. Wakina Falls, Columbia River Gorge National scenic area, Wakina Falls. Come. So now we are going to enjoy viewpoint falls. Discover Wakina Falls. The name is Wakina Falls. No, here I think there is a way here actually.
Water is there.
Some road is there. Oh, oh my goodness, excellent. Wow, 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 wow. Great, Wakina Falls. Oh, excellent. So friends, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your networks. I create stories and share them to make a difference and impact humankind. I am a storyteller. So enjoy the nature. I served in the Indian Air Force for 12 years. Train. So friends, see, I'm climbing up. I think I will see some different viewpoint. Wakina Falls. This is the name is. I have to memorize the names of these falls. There are multiple falls in Oregon Park. Right now I am in Oregon State, and I visited a couple of points here like Portland viewpoint, some falls, Bridal Wheel Valley. Now I am enjoying Wakina Falls. So let me introduce myself. My name is Professor M.S. Rao. I have authored 53 books, including the award-winning book titled See the Light in You, for which the Nobel laureate, His Holiness Dalai Lama, has written a foreword. I have 43 years of diversified experience, including Indian Air Force, business, teaching and training. I am a late bloomer, dyslexic, ADHD, OCD. Add to that the brain stroke worsened my health in the year 2021. I don't have two-wheeler, I don't have four-wheeler. I still belong to a lower middle class family. I was born into a toxic family and grew up in a toxic environment. I am 61 years old. I don't get any pension, I don't have any regular income. Despite having all the challenges, I rose from the ashes like a phoenix. So I am grateful to God that I survived the stroke. If I get a stroke second time, it's very difficult. I am already 61. The fact they are enjoying. So spread joy and spread positivity. That's what is required. Spread love, spread joy, spread humanity, emphasize empathy, emphasize compassion, add value and impact. So whenever I upload a video or whenever I speak on various podcasts or YouTube channels, I leave certain messages because I have 43 years of experience and 61 years of observation. So I integrate my knowledge and share with the world, and I acquire knowledge and share my knowledge to impact humankind. I'm I'm trekking now. It's very difficult, but still I'm trekking. Yeah, I would like to share with you about a beautiful book which I published some 3 years back. The name of the book is Spiritual Tourism. This book I wrote when I got an idea to visit Char Dham with my wife in 2019. That was before the COVID. Then I wrote a book, and how I always get some ideas and take them into document and capture my ideas and take them to writing. I persist a lot. I contribute consistently. Good morning. How are you?
Good day.
Good day. Good day. So I am talking to people because I am very open, and I talk to people when I am open. No inhibitions in my life. I am very open, and I talk to people. Most of the times, people appreciate. A few people might object, but that we can't help, and we can't please all people, right? So I am open. I am an open book. I share my knowledge. Okay, so now let me circle back to my story. I wrote a book titled Spiritual Tourism, which I talked to four spiritual places like Yamunotri, Gangotri, Kedarnath, Badrinath. My wife and I visited. Then visited some other places. I think it took less than 2 weeks. We went there, and apart from 4 Char Dhams, that is Yamunotri, Gangotri, Kedarnath, Badrinath, we visited other places like Joshi Math, Uttarkasi, Dakshinikasi, Chamoli, Haridwar, Rishikesh. So many places we visited, and on the way also we visited some places which I don't remember. I love traveling. I travel a lot, and I still belong to lower middle class family, but I enjoy. When you travel, you lead from the front. When you travel, you empathize with others. So you will empathize with others when you travel. So let me. So it's an excellent fall. Wow. Great. Amazing. Excellent. Wakina Falls. The name is Wakina Falls. The people are dog walking and enjoying, and they have to be very careful. It may be slippery. Wow, excellent. From top to down. Beautiful. So you can see my younger son Ramkrishna Sai and my wife. We are in one frame, and we are enjoying Wakina Falls. I'll shift my mode. Yeah. So life is a gift from God. Enjoy the every moment. Really, what a Wakina Falls. Yeah. Not good to say, na? Not this. You can see the river one side, you can see Wakina Falls at the top. Oh, Smile. Huh? Smile, smile. Great moments. See, you can see how water is falling from the top to down. Wow. My health is not permitting, otherwise I would like to take bath. I visited many places in India, especially Kashmir. And my wife, my two sons and I traveled to Kashmir also. We enjoyed. Two states I love in India. One is Kashmir, second Kerala. And this is third place, USA. We are enjoying everything. My younger son, me, my wife, Wakina Falls, we are enjoying. Oh, we are climbing. Epic viewpoint. Wow, 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 wow. Take maximum photos. Wow, wow, Rocky. He stands taller. Bon. Okay, just a moment. It's very risky. So I have to be very careful in view of my brain stroke. Not to take a risk is also a risk. You have to take a risk in life. My message with the world is take risk. If you succeed, it's fine. If you fail, learn lessons and move on. Not to take a risk is also a risk. So I am recording. Not to take a risk is also a risk. So take risk in life. If you succeed, it's fine. If you fail, no problem. It's a lesson. Embrace failures, embrace technology, embrace change. The only thing constant in this world is change. So change from changing times, change with the changing times and technologies. Adapt. Adaptability is the key to leadership success. Oh, Wakina Falls. So let me see. Good. Yeah, yeah, Wakina Falls. I'm enjoying selfie video. Wakina Falls. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your networks. So friends, I'm enjoying Wakina Falls, Oregon Park in Oregon State. This is the second state I visited. First state I visited in US is Washington Post, Washington State. And my wife, my son, and I live in Seattle now. Now today we are enjoying the day on the eve of Friday, Black Friday sales. So we have come for shopping, and also we are doing other activities also. Okay, I'll hold it. Buttons. Wow. You can capture as many photos today. Wakina Falls. So, okay. So friends, we enjoyed Wakina Falls, and we are returning. It's an excellent, it's an epic fall. Wakina Falls is epic falls. Sorry, I'm stammering up the brainstroke. Please empathize with me, and I'm uploading raw videos because I am not a digital savvy, and I am recording these videos to keep them as my memories. Thanks to technology, that YouTube and so many opportunities in technology, so we are able to record our memories. Previously it was a very long process. Now it's a easy process. We can capture photos, videos, we can upload on Instagram, and we can share our stories with the world. So I create stories and share them to make a difference and to impact humankind. That's my sole purpose. For the last 4 or 5 days, I am thinking to create my own philosophy, and I get lots of ideas in my life. My mind is flooded with so many ideas. I am very curious and creative by nature, and I ask too many questions. So sometimes people don't appreciate, but I ask multiple questions so that I get answers. Then again I integrate everything. I connect the dots. That's how I do it. So since as an author, I am very much imaginative, and again I acquired 6 qualifications through private education, and I was a college dropout. At the age of 18 I joined Indian Air Force. Then I discontinued, then I continued my education, and I acquired 6 qualifications through private education. All the qualifications are DME from Aeronautical Engineering from Indian Air Force, and BSc from Andhra University, and Ph.D. BM from Ministry of Defense, and MBA from IGNO on marketing, and I got PGDCLL when I was in Jodhpur University, and I acquired all the knowledge and qualifications, everything through distant education and private education, and I used to go to far distant places to visit libraries to acquire knowledge. So I'm very curious and creative. I'm passionate about acquiring my knowledge and sharing my knowledge. So these are all the things I do, and I talk to people. I I'm very open and talk to people and connect with them and learn the things, and whatever I create and I learn, then I share with the world. This my process is a long lifelong process. My my life is I believe in lifelong learning process. By I learn from multiple areas because of my experience, and I published 53 books. One of the books titled "See the Light in You" is the book. For that book, His Holiness Dalai Lama has it in a foreword. And as I said, I mentioned about my book Spiritual Tourism. That was about traveling and spirituality, because that was the trigger I got when I went to visit Char Dham. That means four shrines. Four shrines are Kedarnath, Badrinath, Yamunotri, Gangotri, and we went by walk for all the four places. And we belong to a lower middle class family, but we enjoy every moment of our life. So we are very happy in that way. And we traveled in second class sleeper, and my wife and I planned meticulously, and we stayed in dharmasalas, chowtries. Sometimes we paid only 200 rupees per day. I think in Haridwar. So some chowtries are there. They charge very nominal. So I visited a couple of places. I think total expenditure was around 18,000 or something. I think we did it within 2 weeks. My wife and I spent 2 weeks, and with a limited budget of 18,000. So you can't imagine. So I'm a frugal, and but I plan meticulously and do the things. Wakina Falls. So friends, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your networks. If some of my stories resonates with the world, that serves my purpose. So enjoy every moment of your life. Life is amazing, life is beautiful, life is incredible, life is full of opportunities. Enjoy every moment of your life, and thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel with gratitude.